Megan. I hope all of you are doing wonderful. I'm extremely excited about today's video, if I may say so myself. It is titled my Louis Vuitton Valentine's Day Luxury Mega Massive Unboxing Haul. If you do enjoy luxury, you do enjoy this video, which I hope you do, please do consider subscribing to my YouTube luxury community by clicking on that subscribe button you see located on your screen right down there below. Also, by clicking that notification bell, you will be notified every time I upload a video. I'm right about to show you guys what I did receive for Valentine's Day, but I do want to let you know that the very best gift that I did receive was love. I was very blessed when God did ordain me to meet my husband when I was 17 years old and he was 22. I say this very humbly. It was definitely a match made in heaven. I was extremely in love with him then, and I'm just as much, if not more, in love with him now. So now let's get right into this luxury unboxing haul. I'll be starting this off with a bang, as it is an item that I did not think I'd ever be able to obtain. Miraculous would be a great adjective for that, and it does come in a box like this. And the item that I am talking about is the beautiful, oh my gosh, it just peeked through. My items love to do that for whatever reason. Louis Vuitton Valentine's Day Collection pink zippy coin purse wallet, Vernis leather. I love the color blue. It was definitely my first choice, but I could not get this gorgeous wallet off of my mind. I have used my Alma BB with the champagne Vernis leather quite a bit, and there is no scratching. Let's definitely hope it stays that way. I haven't felt the need to baby Vernis leather in any way, but at the same time, I'm definitely not trying to rub it against anything sharp. I have been a fan of the zippy coin purse wallet for quite some time. I love the smooth glide that comes with all of these wallets, and with this particular interior, it does look like this. As you guys can see, there's definitely a lot of room for credit cards, cash, and receipts with the blue wallet as well as this one. They were both made in France. That's just a little cherry to the top. I do know that Louis Vuitton is going to stop stating where pieces are made very soon, so I do feel fortunate that both of these pieces were made in France, but please let me emphasize, craftsmanship truly is most important to me. So yay for the fact that I now have this beautiful and gorgeous Valentine's Day zippy coin purse wallet with the pink Vernis leather added to my collection. It definitely will get a lot of use. Next item that I'm going to show you guys does come in a box like this. I was inspired to get this because I did receive it in a different color and I adore it so very much. And here is the dust bag. Within the dust bag, I will show you guys what I absolutely adore, the Louis Vuitton Louise hoop earrings. It wasn't too long ago that I did receive these in the gold, and oh my gosh, I adore them. But to be quite honest, I've always been a silver jewelry type of person. So shortly after I did get those gold hoop earrings, these were added to my wish list and they were acquired quite quickly. The earrings that I'm wearing right now are from Fendi, and I really love how one is gold and one is silver. After I did get the silver hoop earrings, I had an idea. Why not do the same? Mix it up. Have one silver and have one gold. These are definitely very gorgeous earrings that stand out in such a beautiful way. I highly recommend them, and I am so happy to now have them within my collection. I am going to veer a little bit away from Louis Vuitton. I'll come right back to it, but since we're on the subject of earrings, I do want to show you guys these. I have thought about these for quite some time. They are definitely statement piece earrings, one to be worn on occasion. They are beautiful and gorgeous Versace drop-down earrings. I did say statement earrings, and that's exactly what I meant. I adore how one is short, one is long. They are to be worn on occasion, like I did say before, as they do stand out in such a wonderful way. I really love the little Medusa head at the very top right there. I love these earrings, and I'm definitely looking forward to wearing them. So let's switch fashion houses back to Louis Vuitton, and I'm going to show you an item that does come in a box like this. And it does come in a dust bag like this. The question that I ask myself is, why did I not know about this sooner, and why did I not get this sooner? The piece that I am referring to is the beautiful and gorgeous Louis Vuitton Toiletry 25. I do live in California, and I humbly say I frequently go on trips that are 1 night, 2 nights, 3 nights. And when I do that, I do find myself bringing around my niece BB. I love that piece, but I don't want to use the life out of it. I would like an alternative for shorter night trips and to keep my niece BB for trips that are 5 nights or longer. I'm not sure if you guys are like me, but I do really enjoy squishy canvas. This canvas canvas, I was shocked, is extremely squishy. I am loving this brown interior. It looks so classic of Louis Vuitton, and what I really love is the flexibility of this piece in combination with the squishiness. This interior looks extremely easy to keep clean, and I am loving this interior pocket. This is one of those classic looking pieces that I absolutely adore. I really like the fact that the zipper is very smooth. I find this to be a gorgeous Louis Vuitton item. One that I highly recommend, and one that I am very glad to now have. The next piece I'm going to show you guys, I'm extremely excited about. It does come from the Prada fashion house. I'll go ahead and take it out from this dust bag, the beautiful and gorgeous. I do think some of you have an idea here. Gorgeous Prada, obviously. Re-edition bag in the pink color. I was one of those people that absolutely fell in love with the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette when it was first released. So when I did see the Prada kind of copying the Louis Vuitton version, I did fall in love. I adore the versatility of this bag. As a lot of you guys do know, you can easily remove this strap and use this chain instead and wear it over the shoulder. I love the fact that this bag is so very carefree. I love the fact that it is so very pretty to look at, and I cannot wait to get a lot of use out of it during the upcoming spring and summer months. Let's move forward by sticking with that pink theme. The next item that I'm going to show you comes from the beautiful and gorgeous Balenciaga fashion house. Inside this dust bag is something that will go very well with that Prada re-edition bag. I cannot wait for spring and summer. I don't know if I mentioned that yet, but these are the beautiful Balenciaga pool slides. The craftsmanship put into these pool slides is absolutely amazing. Because I do live in California, I frequently go to pools, I frequently go to the beach, so these will definitely get a lot of use. So let's switch gears here quite a bit and enter the Tiffany fashion house. Inside of here, we do have a box, and within the box, we obviously will have a dust bag. This is not earrings, it is not a necklace. What else could it be? It is the Tiffany Interlocking Circles ring. I will go ahead and try this ring on for you guys. I really recommend it. I think it's so pretty. I do love how you can see the Tiffany and Company on both rings, and I adore the way that they do interlock. I love Tiffany, and yay, it is now added to my collection. 2 more items to go. The next one is going to be from the Versace fashion house. It is an accessory and one that I absolutely adore. Maybe I'm just guessing, but I don't think that you guys are gonna guess what's inside this box, so I'll just go ahead and show you. It is a Versace logo headband. I'm a big fan of accessories, and I definitely think certain ones can truly make an outfit that much better. In case any of you guys are interested in headbands, I'll go ahead and try this one on for you. It does look like this. I think it's very cute, very stylish. Again, I'm just loving this Versace logo. I don't find it to be too flashy. I think it is just right. I really do love this headband very much. It'll definitely be very versatile with different hairstyles. I'm very excited to now have it. Last item up is another accessory, and it does come from the Gucci fashion house. Opening it up, there is the wrapping paper. Obviously, I did see what's inside, and I will now show you guys what's inside. It comes in a dust bag like this. Any guesses? I think a lot of you guys do have an idea. I've wanted this exact style for a very long time, so yay, I now have it, this beautiful, gorgeous Gucci logo belt. I really love the brown, but I'm very happy that I did get the black. I think it's very pretty against the gold. So I definitely did receive quite a few gifts. I feel very humbled by that, but I must say the very best gift that I did receive is the gift of love from my loved ones. I did present those items to you guys with a humble spirit, and I thank you for the opportunity to share them with you. So that will be it for my Louis Vuitton Valentine's Day luxury mega massive unboxing haul. If you guys happen to have any comments or questions on the items I did go over, the Louis Vuitton Valentine's Day collection pink Vernis wallet, the Louis Vuitton Louise silver hoop earrings, the Versace statement earrings, the Louis Vuitton Toiletry 25, the Prada Pink 2005 re-edition bag, the Balenciaga pool slides, the Versace headband, or the Gucci belt, please do leave those in the comment section below, as I do adore hearing from you guys. Okay, now is the time within the video where I'm going to completely transition topics from speaking about luxury to speaking about something that's definitely more insightful, meaningful, and inspirational. Today, I'll be going over an extremely important topic, and that is letting go of past hurts. It is inevitable throughout life that we will all experience pain. There are certain types of pains that you will experience that will simply not go away. They will get better in time, but they won't go away. A prime example of that is losing a loved one. It's hard for us to imagine, but your loved one will truly always be with you, loving, guarding, guiding, protecting, and blessing you while working behind the scenes in your life until you see them again. They definitely want you to be in a very positive state of mind, and although that can be very difficult, especially at first, that is what they want. But what I do want to briefly go over are the other types of pains that you experience in this life that should be let go. For example, when loved ones betray or hurt us, that can be a serious knife to the heart. Another example might be something that we might have done in the past that we have a hard time letting go. I definitely do not believe in regrets. I believe in lessons learned. So yes, regrets should definitely be let go. I have spoken many times on my channel about our peace of mind and how that truly should be our #1 priority. The right way to approach a situation when someone has betrayed or hurt you is to give this situation to God through faith. How powerful it is that God has promised you through the Bible that He will be your vindicator, He will be your lawyer, and He will plead your case. There simply is no better lawyer to have than the creator of this universe. If you don't let offenses go, you will feel trapped inside of your mind. It is almost like a prison. And while you're in that cell, the door to get out of the cell is unlocked. You could get out at any time. Why stay in that prison? When we have unforgiveness and anger, it is like holding a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at somebody else. But the problem is, the only person that gets burned is you. That hot coal never reaches them. It stays within your mind, and you are the only one that gets burned. A lot of times it can be very easy to feel like if we forgive somebody else, then it's basically letting them off the hook for their offense. That is simply not the case, as nothing can be hidden from God. You basically can have it one of two ways. You take the situation into your own hands, and most likely you're going to end up feeling miserable and sad, or you can give that situation to God and watch Him reveal His glory in His own timing. Life is very short, and it is very quick. If there's any unforgiveness, whether it's towards someone else or towards yourself, that's weighing heavily on your soul today, I urge you to forgive yourself or the other person, people, because that is a secret to keeping your peace of mind, your happiness alive. The strength you need to let certain things go is going to be a spiritual strength that comes from the Holy Spirit. Let go, let God, let Him take care of the offenses that have been hurting you. Let go of the past pains that are hurting your soul so very deeply. If you do this, I can pretty much guarantee you that you will feel a lift, a lightness in your spirit, and life will simply go much smoother. As God's children, I know that He wants us to be living our very best lives possible. There definitely are shortcuts to that, and one of them happens to be letting go of past pains and hurts. So that is what I have to say on the topic of letting go of past hurts. If you guys happen to have any comments or questions on the topic I did go over, and or any comments or questions on my Louis Vuitton Valentine's Day Luxury Mega Massive Unboxing haul, please do leave those in the comment section below. I always love hearing from you guys. If you did make it to the end of this video, I greatly thank you. Until my next, which of course I'm definitely looking forward to, you guys take care, and I will be seeing you very soon. Bye.